Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add blur on Filmora. Adding a blur effect in Filmora can be done easily using the built-in effects. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you add and customize a blur effect in your video. First of all, open the Filmora application. Go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now select a video you would like to edit. Once you select the video you want to edit, click on Import at the bottom right hand corner. After you import the video on your preview page, go ahead and click on the effect option displayed on the bottom of the screen. Click on Add under Effect. Now you will be able to open up the effect option from where you will need to search for blur in the search box. You will see several blur options such as MPO3, FP10 and much more. Select the desired blur effect. Now once you select the blur option, click on the tick mark at the top right, and then after you are done, you will be able to see your blur effect applied to your video. Drag the desired blur effect to the video track on the timeline where you want the blur to appear. After you've positioned your blur effect to the video track, finally, go ahead and export your video by clicking on the export button at the top right corner and choose one of your desired export settings to save your video. And that's how you can easily add a blur effect in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.